Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome to Jumian's channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my botanical gel. This is the same gel that I used when I did my no oils and no butter wash and go. If you want to see the performance of this gel, please watch the video that I'm going to link up here, or I'm going to leave it on the description box below. Let's talk about what I use in this formulation and a short reason why I use them. I use lavender infused glycerin as my humectant. I use hydrolyzed silk protein for moisture balance, silky smooth feelings. It prevents moisture loss. Uniquat is a moisture binding, reduce statics, and it's for moisturizing. Nature Silk, it's a plant-based emollient. Natural Seal, it's a plant alternative to silicone. It helps with manageability, smoothing, and shine. Olive Squalene, it lubricates and protects hair. It's a property found in human sebum. Hydrogenated shea butter, it's a water-soluble shea butter. Since this gel, it's a water-based. I'm using the polysorbate 80. It's an emulsifier that will help me to blend my fragrance into the water base. HEC and guaiac are the polymers that I use in this product. HEC is a water-based thickener. It's a natural derived polymer. It provides hair barrier. And then I use aloe vera mixture. Because the HEC and guaiac needs to be hydrated, I will be mixing the two and set them aside. Now, phase A. Combining the aloe vera mix with glycerin, hydrolyzed silk protein, and uniquat. Mix it together and put it to the side. Now, phase B. Combining the Nature Silk, Natural Seal, Olive Squalene, and polysorbate 80. Mixing this thoroughly is important to this phase. Back to the HEC and guaiac. I have to adjust the pH of the guaiac with citric acid solution to form the gel. The same thing goes with the adjustment of pH of the HEC in order to form the gel. Next step is to combine phase A and phase B. After that, I combine the gels and add phase A and phase B to it gradually. These parts require thorough mixing to blend everything together. I will be sending 2 of these Botanical gel to 2 of my subscribers, Vivian and Chinaza. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it below in the description box. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.